If you're making videos but you're not getting the results you want, and that's holding you back from uploading consistently, or even uploading your first video, this video is for you. You ever hit record, hit stop, hit record, hit stop, hit record, hit stop, all because you looked away from the camera or you got a little off script? Have you ever just kept recording clips over and over because you lost your place in the teleprompter? Trust me, I know exactly how you feel. And this is where it goes sideways. You're not creating YouTube videos anymore. You're trying out for the Perfection Olympics. So you keep doing take after take after take after take until you're tired, you're annoyed, and nothing is still posted. In today's video, I'm going to help you stop letting perfection slow you down so you can publish consistently and build real momentum that turns into views, watch time hours, and subscribers. So without further ado, let's dive in. Here is the part that most people don't want to admit. It's not the algorithm, it's not your camera, it's not even your niche. It's overthinking. Because overthinking feels safer than posting. It feels productive, but it usually just fear with a to-do list. And I'm not saying you don't care about quality, because I know you do. And that's not even the problem. The problem is when quality turns into I can't upload until this feels perfect. And I learned that the hard way. On my other channel, I film travel videos, theme parks, trips, and all of that stuff. And when I made my first video, I wanted it to be perfect. I wanted the perfect first impression. So I kept going back to the same theme park for more and more and more footage. One more shot, one more angle, one more clip. I swore I would finally make this video feel right. And instead of finishing the edit, I kept collecting just in case footage. That first video took me over a month to publish. And when I finally posted it for what, 300 views? That's when it hit me. Perfection didn't guarantee results. It just delayed the upload. And you can't grow from videos that don't get posted. So here's the truth that changes everything. You can't think your way to a perfect video. You don't plan your way into confidence. You don't research your way into consistency. You earn it with reps. That's why your first 20 videos matter, not because they'll make you famous, not because they'll go viral, but because they will make you better and make you faster. So I want you to replace perfect with a new standard. It's called the Publishable Standard. The audio is understandable, the lighting is acceptable, the point is clear, and you can finish it. That's it. Not perfect, just publishable. And here's the rule that will save you hours. Cap your takes. You get 2 to 3 takes max per clip. That's it. Just make it work and take what you have. Because the truth is, if you're on take 7, you're not improving. You are spiraling out of control. And when you mess up, here is what you need to do instead of starting over. Keep recording, pause, restart the sentence, edit out the mistake, and that's how real creators film. They don't one take everything. They don't let the mistakes stop the whole video, and that's exactly how I'm recording this video right now. Perfection feels like you're doing the right thing, but it's expensive. It costs you time, energy, confidence, momentum, and uploads. And uploads is what creates results, because consistency does something perfection never will. It builds momentum. Momentum is what gets you better on camera, faster at editing, clearer in your message, more comfortable being seen, and more chances for YouTube to actually learn who to show your video to. Your first videos are allowed to be a draft. Messy is fine. Awkward is fine. The only thing that is not fine is letting perfection keep you silent. So here is the move starting today. Stop trying to win the Perfection Olympics. Post the pilot. Pick one video you've been sitting on. Use the Publishable Standard. Cap your takes and finish it. Then commit to your next 10 videos. Same rule. You're not allowed to question anything. You're not allowed to rebuild the whole channel in your head. You post, you learn, you adjust. That's how results happen. And if you're done re-recording everything and you're choosing progress this time, comment progress down in the chat. I would really love to hear about it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because I am going to keep helping you publish consistency, build momentum, and turn your views into real growth. Thank you for hanging out with me. Now go make the video. Not the perfect one, but the posted one. And I'll see you in the next one.